My name is Abigail. I live in Cambodia, and we are helping Cambodia.
Carry 10 kgs of rice on our head.
110, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my friend John, who you can find on social media at Are You Home Yet? I'm here with my friend Kuntia and many other volunteers. And we are going to where, John? Where are we going?
Thailand-Cambodia.
And we are going to give out these parcels. We have 110, and we are going to help the displaced people in Survival. So come with me. Let's go.
We have 2 bags.
Hi guys, so we finally made it to the pagoda. As you can see, there are people that are still living in tents. So these people in Cambodia are very much in need because they still cannot return home. And we are going to distribute some food stuff. And you can as well contact me on my social media accounts, The Traveling Abby, to distribute donations to these people. Guys, so we made it to the pagoda, and these people are literally helping us take everything from the truck into that room over there. So they're helping us with that. Let's go and see in this room where they're setting up our stuff. Guys, this is Nelly.
Cambodia.
She is from, where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia, Humanitarian Province.
Humanitarian Province, and she is with us to help us donate to these people because she has also experienced something very similar to what is going on with these people.
I'm so happy that I'm here with you guys.
And we are happy to have you. And she knows me, and I feel so special, and I know her.
Cambodia.
Thank you so much.
You live in Siem Reap. You live in Siem Reap, right?
Right now I'm moved to Siem Reap. Yeah, 2 days.
To this because people donated so much money to her and her family.
Thank you for people that helped me and also donated money for
All these other
donating.
people.
Yeah.
In Cambodia, we can carry 10 kgs of rice on our head.
Look, the man of the hour, Jonathan. 110 guys, 110 packages. Rice, noodles, milk, prahok, vegetables. 110. It's amazing. Thank you all so much for donating. For those who saw the QR code in my comments, it was for this. We even collected more donations. So if you still want to donate, contact me.
This is the school teacher, and he's teaching the children here for free at the moment.
Wow.
សុទ្ធតែអ្នកមកជួយបរិច្ចាគទាំងអស់ចា៎
សប្បាយចិត្តបងហើយខ្ញុំខាងសម្ភារៈភាសាគិតមកចិត្តហើយ
So he was saying they don't have enough books.
Yeah, they want the book like the picture book for the small kid. Yes, if they can, someone can donate will be better. Yes, for the small kid, right? And book, pencil, the board teaching
Oh, like the
board.
whiteboard.
Yeah, the whiteboard.
guys, currently these people have IDs and they are getting their IDs checked before they come in to sit by one of our packages, and they have these IDs to make sure that they are people actually from the border between Cambodia and Thailand. And it would be very unfair if other people from outside come in and claim these packages when these people actually need these things. Guys, so we finished. You can see they brought this stuff back to their homes. There was also a second group here, and then a third group came to give them money. So I want to thank you all so much for watching my video, and if you would ever like to donate, please reach out to me on my social media accounts, The Traveling Abby, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. And thank you for watching my video.